Hello everyone, it's Finacetti, and today we're going to talk about the big 30+% dump that we're seeing right now. I'm going to show you the history of Bitcoin, what the market did in 2017, and I'm going to show you why this is not a worry at all. So if I flip this around here, you see here the chart from 2017, and as you can see, there was one correction, 38%, another correction, 38%, another correction, 33%, 38%, 36%, 29%. So having these big corrections of around 30% on the way up is perfectly normal for a bull market. This is not a reason to freak out and start selling. Shout out to Excavo for compiling this information. Now let me play you a quick YouTube short.
So just a quick further explanation. Back in 2017, every time Bitcoin dropped 38% and corrected itself, it went to higher highs. And that is what's going to happen this year. So be prepared for these 30% drops.
So guys, as you can see, the historical data shows you that these big drops of 30% are perfectly normal for a bull market. And if you just keep holding on, you're going to see it go back up, most likely as long as this bull market continues. Let me go into the charts right now and show you the drops of 2017 and then compare it to what we're seeing now. So guys, in 2017, let me show you how much the price increased. Let's take it from a bottom, I don't know, around here, and all the way up to here. Well, you had an increase of 3,262%, which means you would have 31x'd your money. Now, if we break this down into the individual corrections, let me show you what each of those looked like. So if we take the first one down here, and we go approximately to the bottom, we see here 37%. Let's grab the next one. The next one over here, if you go down, well, you see 41%. And the next one, from here all the way down to here, you see 31%. And let me just zoom out a little bit. And the next one, if we make this a little bit bigger, we see that we had a spike here and we drop down to like here, well, minus 21%. And let's take this last one here just to make my point. From up here all the way down to here, well, that was again a retracement of 24%. So as you can see, these big volatile swings are perfectly normal during a Bitcoin bull market. And if you go further in the past to other Bitcoin bull markets, these jumps are even bigger. So let's now go to today. Okay, I zoomed out a little bit, so let's do this for today. Well, we had a retracement from down here all the way to approximately there, which was a 63% retracement. And that's the last retracement we had until we started this exponential rise towards the top. So let's take the next one. Well, it's from about here to here, and that was minus 20%. And then if we go from approximately here to here, well, that was minus 11%. It's not too bad. But then let's go here to here. Again, minus 11%. But then let's go from here to here. And again, we're back at these drops of around 33%. So far, we've actually only had one big drop. And if you include the drop that we're having right now, well, that would be pretty much only the second big drop that we're having during this bull cycle. So if you remembered in 2017, there were approximately 7 of these. If we go back to Excavo's picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Currently, we've only had 2 of these. I'm not going to count this one down here. We've only had 2 big retracements so far, while in most Bitcoin bull runs, there's plenty of them. So guys, when in doubt, always check the history on the charts. You will find answers there. Make sure that the charts are reflecting the same fundamentals as the time that you're looking at now. For example, if you went back and you tried to make an assumption, but the fundamentals had changed a lot since then, well, you shouldn't use data from charts when the fundamentals were totally different. Now, in Bitcoin's case, the fundamentals are still pretty much the same, just that the adoption rate has started to increase more and more, but nothing fundamentally has changed, besides that the people who are holding it are going to hold on to it much longer. So probably instead of seeing swings of between like 38 and 30%, we'll see drops of around 30 to 20%, just because the volatility should be slightly lower. But that's going to be the only difference so far. So if you got smarter, As always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Sunday, and please, 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 please click this like button so YouTube knows that this is a video worth sharing. It's still a small channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out so much. You have no idea. Please, please, please press it. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.